Hi there, and welcome. Today we will show you the workflows of the delivery management feature within Slice Register. We will begin by showing you how to reach the delivery management section. It is helpful to see this as part of the complete order intake process. When an order arrives on Slice Register, it will appear in the New Orders tab of the Order Management screen. Once you've accepted the order, you will tap the delivery management icon in the navigation bar on the left side of the screen. This will bring you to the delivery management section. Here is the delivery management screen. Let's pause here to walk through what you see. On the left are all the orders that still need to be assigned, meaning they are not yet part of a batch, nor have they been assigned to a driver who will own delivering them to the customer. The orders here are presented with several important pieces of information: their order number, the customer address, and the ETA you have confirmed. This screen will update itself to pull in new delivery orders that your shop has accepted. You can also use the refresh button on the screen's top left corner to add the newest orders. The right side panel shows all the orders that have been batched. A batch is a collection of orders in a single delivery run. As you can see, batches will have their own batch numbers, separate from the order numbers, as well as drivers assigned to them, which you can see here besides the batch number. Each batch will show its orders and the order details. There are 3 statuses for batches within Register, which you can scroll through by tapping the tabs here. There are waiting batches, which have been assigned to drivers who still need to leave. There are driver batches that show batches currently being delivered. You can see the status of the individual orders within these batches have changed. You will also see red text next to the ETA if that particular order is scheduled to arrive later than was promised to the customer. Lastly, complete batches are those batches that drivers have fully delivered. Now, let's go through the process of creating a batch. You will do this by tapping Create Batch. This will take you to a new workflow putting unassigned orders together. Green plus buttons will appear beside unassigned orders. When the plus button is tapped, this will add the order to the batch you are building. As you do this, a few things will happen. The orders will move to the right side of the screen. The red minus button will appear, allowing you to remove the order from the batch. Lastly, you can drag and drop the orders to help organize the sequence in which the driver will drop off the food. Below the orders you added to the batch is a list of drivers. These drivers have downloaded the Slice Drivers app on their phones and logged in. The green dot beside each driver's name reflects whether that driver has made themselves available on the Slice Drivers app. The red dot means they have not toggled their status. You can assign a driver to the batch by tapping the name of the desired driver and hitting Create Batch. Editing a batch is just as easy as creating one. It is important to note that editing a batch is only possible if it is still waiting. If a driver has left and has already begun fulfilling orders, it is not possible to edit that batch. To edit a batch, tap the Edit beside the driver's name in the right panel. From here, you can add orders, remove orders, resequence orders, or change the driver assignment. When you're satisfied with the changes, you will hit Update Batch. You may need to mark an individual order or an entire batch as delivered from the Slice Register. To mark a single order as delivered, swipe left on the order and tap the Mark Delivered button. You will see a message asking to confirm this action. This will then clear that order from your unassigned column. You may want to mark an entire batch as delivered as well. To do this, you will have to hit Edit next to an existing batch. In the top right corner, you will see More Actions. By clicking this, it will reveal additional buttons, one of which is marked Batch as Delivered. You will be prompted to confirm your choice. The other action you will see under More Actions is the Discard Batch. This will delete the batch and move all of the orders to the column of unassigned orders. It's helpful to think of this as a way of doing a reset on a previously created batch. At the end of the night, you will be able to see the delivery management report that lives in the cash management section under the Reports tab. This report shows the breakdown for each driver's total orders delivered, cash and card sales, and tip money earned. With this report, you can see which drivers have delivered the most orders and efficiently allocate the tips they have earned.